Today we are going to work on repairing a neck gasket. Before you even touch the gasket, it's important that you have a good form. I highly recommend buying a block of 3-inch mini cell foam for $16 and then using a knife to trim it into the exact shape as the fabric where your neck gasket attaches. I buy NRS neck gasket repair kits. It comes with a bottle of Kotol, a bottle of Aqua Seal, a brush, and sandpaper. First, we are going to use a pair of scissors to trim back the old gasket. We're going to make sure to leave about 1 inch or 1.5 inches of old gasket, which we'll use to attach the new gasket to. When you finish cutting, your gasket will look like this. Next, you're going to pull and tug and stretch your gasket and the fabric over your form. Once it's on, it will probably take a minute to smooth all the wrinkles out. When it's all finished, it should look like this. I'm going to lightly sand around the old neck gasket to clean it up and to rough it up a little bit so the glue sticks better. With the shiny side facing inwards, stretch the new gasket over the form and overlapping the old gasket. Now pull the new gasket back to expose the two sides that will be glued together. Brushing Kotol on the new and old gaskets will help clean them. Mix 3 parts Aqua Seal with 1 part Kotol. And then brush it on both gaskets. After waiting 30 minutes for the Aqua Seal to become tacky, fold the top new gasket down onto the bottom old gasket. Do this step carefully so you don't have any wrinkles. Finally, press the new gasket on to ensure good contact. Once the cure time has been reached, you'll remove the foam block out through the Drytop, not out through the neck. Obviously, you can use the same technique for an ankle or a wrist gasket, you just need a new, smaller form.